Kelvin Tracy with Jerry Manel Limited. We're here to support our industry, the oil industry. Any particular issue you're worried about? Carbon tax. Pipelines. We need to get our oil to Tidewater. We need to get rid of this carbon tax.
I'm Lanny Martindale from Oxbow, Saskatchewan. I'm here to promote the oil field and to get some more pipelines built so we can sell some of our oil.
Ron By.
And why are you here?
To support the oil industry.
What do you do?
Oil field construction and maintenance.
Why are you here?
Just here to show, I don't know, we're a big part of what's going on out here. Everybody's important. It's good for the industry. Best kind of advertising there is.
Hi, I'm Nick Mayer. I'm here standing up for Canadian oil and gas.
Who are you with?
Mako Well Servicing.
My name is Daryl Shirley. We have 427 trucks at this event.
Why you're out here today, Nicole?
To support the oil field, and because I hope that I have a job here.
It says that not only Estevan but the whole southeast corner is very proud of our energy sector. You know, this energy sector brings a lot of wealth and prosperity, not only here to us, but also to all Canadians. And that's what this is about, is telling all of Canada that we want to contribute, we want to continue contributing by providing jobs and building this country.
Hey baby, we're on the move.
I've never seen this many trucks in one place. It is unbelievable. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, it's like I can't even explain this. I can't even explain this. Unbelievable. Like they will be hours and hours.
But it's tremendous to see not just the trucks that were out, but the people on the sides of the roads. The parking lots were filled. And those trucks that were driving had 2, 3, 4 people in them. But the people on the sides of the roads that were honking and waving and showing their support, there were hundreds of them along in the co-op parking lots, you know, in the Arts Gallery parking lot as you went along through, and all along throughout town. It was tremendous to see. Well, I'm going to continue to take this to Ottawa to tell the rest of Canada that the energy sector is an important and viable part of Canada. And it's the oil, it's the gas, and we in Saskatchewan are part of that. And it's not just Saskatchewan, it's Manitoba is hurting as well. Alberta is hurting, yes they are, but we are hurting here. This is the heart of it in Saskatchewan, but we need to continue to show that we need this energy sector. And it's not just the oil and gas, it's also our power workers. You know, it's our power plants that are providing all that energy for us. They are working hard to make certain that we have, and we need that, and we're going to continue to need energy over the, you know, the projections are that they're going to be asked, we're going to need more and more power as things progress. So we have to find a way to make certain we are able to sustain that and to build on it as we progress. And as we progress into recognizing renewable energies that can be added to the system in the process.
Did you expect this?
Not in my wildest dreams. That was such a overwhelming spectacle of vehicles. That's, you know, we thought maybe 100 people, and I think the final count was 427. And to see all the people lining Main Street and all the support for the convoy that went through, and the support of all the people that came in the convoy to bring this community together, I mean, it was, you know, this is going to be forever in the history of Estevan.
Trudeau must go. Oh Lord, look at that. Got that in your video? Yeah.
What message are you trying to send?
Well, we're just trying to tell our federal government that, look, you know, things aren't exactly the way you think they are, and Canada needs to come together as one. This isn't between the East and the West. This is trying to get all the Canadians together to get all our resources to market and get this country back on the top, where we should have so much money in this country that everybody should never be worried about anything. So we get this country back on the line again and get everybody working and get some resources to market. We can bring all kinds of people in and have education and jobs for them. The way things are right now, without having pipelines, we have no jobs. This country's going to fail because we're running out of money. It's all going overseas.